Okay, so I thought I would give you like a bit of an idea of how like how to purchase a barcode and how it kind of works. Um, you know, so the first thing you want to do is that you go to one of these websites. This is the expensive one, and this is the cheaper one. I gave you the link on WhatsApp, right? So yeah, you can see this is like $65. Yeah, but 75, like 60 to $75, depending how many you would like to buy, right? And then you can see here you will receive your barcode with images as attached files. So you can see like how it looks like. Yeah, so basically once you purchase, they're going to send you an email. Um, it's like, an email with PDF and images and stuff, right? Yeah, so this is like I downloaded it and we'll see what it looks like, right? Oh well, it's taking too long. What's going on here? Okay, forget it. Anyway, um, yeah, so basically you can download a sample to see how it looks like. I would imagine it's gonna look like this. This way on product, blah, blah, blah. If your user size, it should not reduce. So this is the minimum size you should have when you get it printed, right? So you can see the barcode specification. Okay, so here's a sample. So okay, so this is when you buy from a website, you will get like a zip file, right? And inside the zip file there is a multiple format. There's JPEG, there's PDF, there's PNG, SVG, right? Certificate. So like if you give me like the whole folder. Basically, for us to put it on the box, we need either the PNG or the SVG. Uh, yeah, or even maybe the JPEG. Just send us all of them. Yeah, so when you purchase, you will get a zip file with all these files that I just showed you, right? And then you just basically forward the email to me or forward the zip folder to me. And then we can add that on the box, right? So instead of like sticking a sticker label, we will have it right on the box. I showed you earlier where we plan to put it, right? So this is the like what you want for Australia is EAN13. This is the type of barcode that you want to make sure it works with Australian scanner, right? Yeah, because in the US, like it's a UPC barcode, not EAN13. It's different, right? So basically, this seems like a legit and good website, but hey, it's really expensive. I found another website. Again, I don't know. You can even chat with him if this is legit and stuff like that. But looks like they're legit, and I would suggest you get like 5 barcode for $10. If you spend $10 with this package, you spend $10, you get 2 barcodes. This one you spend $10, you get 5 barcodes. You can save, like you needed one for the shisha, 1 kilo box. You need one for the barbecue, and I think you need one as well for the bulk, just in case. Just like have a barcode on every single product that you have. It's not very expensive anyway, $2 for a barcode, right? And I think this website looks legit. Hey, it's $10. Even if it doesn't work, then it's $10. It's like 2 cups of coffee. You should not buy like a pack of cigarette for a week or so. That would save you some money. It's just like buying stuff online. proceed to checkout, and yeah, you go and fill out all the details, right? Again, make sure you're buying the EAN barcode, right? And then you just have to fill this out and order information, and just like make sure yeah, it's just like a normal checkout process, right? So yeah, like this website, it gives you EAN and UPC. So again, same thing, like they would like send an email. I'm just reading this. You can, yeah, they're gonna send out the email with the files as an attachment. You just forward the files to me for us to be able to put it on your packaging, right? This is actually a very good question. Like, this is something that you should know. GS1 is the official website to sell barcode, but it's super expensive, and again, you have to pay annual fees. So you can. Yeah, so basically, what they're saying, that they're legal. They're legal. Anyway, as long as you have a barcode and the customer can scan it, that's all you need, right? It doesn't matter. Like, this is so much cheaper. It's really worth it. Just get the 5 barcodes, right? So same thing as this website. Once you purchase, they're gonna send you an email. Forward the email to me, please. And then, so what you have to do in the meantime, right? Like, because you have 2 containers of shisha, you have 1 container of barbecue already, and then it's gonna take you at least a couple of months before you probably place another order. And if that's gonna prevent your buyer from buying from you because there's no barcode on your boxes, then I would highly suggest just go to a printing shop like Office Works, and then all you have to do, I think, all you have to do is just give them this like files, right? And then they can like put it lay it out for you, and make the labels, right? I believe all you have to do is just like give this files to them and say, hey, can you print this out for me? Can you print out a barcode label for me? You might try to go to Office Work first, maybe, or another option I found, like a printing shop, like a no, printing online shop on eBay. See, like they're located in Melbourne, Victoria. It's really affordable. It's $40 for, I believe it says here, 1,000 labels, right? So one label, like it's plus $5 standard postage to Australia. So it's like $45 for 1,000 labels. It's like what, 4.5 cents per label. It's like it costs you literally nothing. I guess this is as cheap as you can get, even if we get it printed here and ship it to you by post. I don't think it's gonna be a lot cheaper. So you know how eBay works, right? So here's more about the postage. If you order now, you get it like in about 2 weeks. I put like Altona postal code for you because I believe that's where you're gonna ship it to, I guess. You can pay extra, $4 extra to get it shipped faster. Yeah, you can read about this item. So this seller currently away, blah blah blah. Again, like this is what you want, right? EAN 13 barcode labels. So basically, all you have to do is just give the barcode, like this file, like that you're gonna get in the email after you purchase from the website that I showed you. Give this to her. It's got the barcode and it's got the number. And then you can even like put your product description. I think that's an option, right? Have a chat with her. So you can include the product description. So say for example, like shisha, flaming falcon shisha charcoal bulk, or flaming falcon shisha charcoal 1 kilo, right? Or flaming Falcon barbecue charcoal, for example. Or like most people, they just have the barcode, right? Like the barcode and the number without the description. But if you want to put a description, that will work as well. But this barcode is going to be on the box, and the box has description. So just make sure you don't stick the wrong barcode on the wrong box. It's really up to you. You know, what do you want? So here they're printed on matte or gloss white paper. I guess you can choose if you want matte or gloss. I personally like gloss paper. It just looks better, but it's really up to you. You know, the brushes that I showed you in my video, it's gloss white paper, but you can also choose matte white paper if you want. The size is 40 times 28. Right, in here it says the size should be at least 30 times 20, so it's good, right? And don't worry, right, if you're printing labels and you stick on a box, it's gonna block some of the design. That's all right. It's not a big deal. This is just temporary. Just stick it somewhere where you're not blocking the important part of the design. It's really up to you where you want to stick it. It's gonna be printed in black, and it's gonna be stretch resistant. Yeah, this is good. Check the photos. Supplied in roll form. Quantity is 1,000 labels. Right. So basically, like, they're happy to have a chat with you, and I don't know, maybe you can go and visit them if you want. They're in Melbourne, so it's cool. Yeah, I mean, like, looks like they're like a decent, like really solid supplier. They have like over 2,000 orders, 100% positive feedback. Looks like they're very legit. So I guess why not print at their shop instead of going to Officeworks? I would assume it's going to be quite expensive, right? So this is a temporary solution. It's going to cost you like 4.5 cents per sticker, which is really nothing. It's 4 cents, 5 cents, right? Not even 50 cents. Yeah, I guess this is a good temporary solution. In the future, when you place the next order, either for barbecue or for shisha, we can print it directly on the box. So it's gonna save you some cost, right? But for now, I think this is a great option. So I hope this clears things up. Like, I hope this gives you a better understanding on how this whole barcode things works. Just to sum up, basically just go to the website, buy it. They're going to send you an email with a zip folder, or like with some image files of the barcode. Forward the email to me, and then you also get the files and then give it to this shop, right, for them to print it out for you, and then ship the label, mail the physical sticker label to you, right? And then that's it. All you have to do is just like start sticking it on the 1 kilo boxes, or the master boxes, or the what do you call it? The barbecue boxes, right? The bulk boxes. Yeah, it's very simple. But for now, I think to minimize cost, maybe just stick it on the customers who need it, right? In the future, we're gonna have this barcode in every single box, so it's gonna be cool. Yeah, and I would really highly recommend get the 5 barcodes for $10. I would really recommend putting like just get one for the bulk as well. Like, you'll never know, like, and it's good for your branding that you have consistent barcode in the inner boxes, in the master boxes, in all of your products. You know, for the stickers, I think just get enough for customers who need it. But I'm talking about in the future, when we print it on the box, I think we should do it on all shisha bulk shisha inner, like 1 kilo in the inner box and master boxes, as well as on the barbecue charcoal as well. So I think getting 5 barcodes is good. Yeah, in the future, as you add more products, you can buy more. So yeah, I think that's about it. I hope it gives you a better idea. And yeah, just let me know as soon as you email me the file. We will change the design file immediately for the shisha and the barbecue Yeah, that's it. How exciting! And I also talk about starting to get the website up and running so people can start buying from your website. We'll talk more about that when you start selling the 1 kilo boxes. I think that would be like a really like good sales for you. Imagine like you're just selling it like $5 a box, right, at the shops, and then if people buy it directly from your website, you can charge them $10 plus, ask them to pay for delivery, and then like whatever it is, like $5, $6, right? And then you make a lot more profits. I think we should really look into that as soon as you start selling the 1 kilo boxes. Yeah, because some people like they're too lazy to go to the shop. I would rather like, why don't you just like send the boxes to me? I'm happy to pay like $5 extra, $6 extra. um yeah, that's really cool, and I think you can keep like a huge profits costing you like whatever it is, like $3 a box, and you sell it for $10 a box, and even the customer will pay for shipping. It's cool. Hey, so yeah, let's look into that, especially when I get to Australia, to Melbourne in 2 months. We can talk about it, but yeah, I guess as soon as you started selling, we should start working on the website. Even just a simple website, as long as it gives people the ability to be able to buy from your website, that's good enough. And we can add like more pages and make it really good as time goes by, because making videos is very expensive. Taking like professional photography, very expensive. But just set up a basic website where people can start buying from your website. That's good enough, and we can make it better as time goes by. Yeah. I'm excited for you, and yeah, good luck.